Darren's new fabricated bracket.
That might or might not work.
I think we can get that to work. Excuse me.
I got it, boy.
Yeah. Yeah. Hiya, buddy. Oh my God, it's the Hulk. Your baby metal. Say hello, guys.
Hiya.
Okay, so we've got to get this airbag off. Everybody keep your face away from the airbags, just in case.
What is that? Airbag connectors under the seats.
Don't know why. Okay, more Googling.
Everything on this VW has been a faff.
Not just a faff, but the worst kind of faff. Yes. So,
the headlight is fixed.
Headlight is fixed.
Ta-da! Move your bum so they can see.
Oh, that's so beautiful. Shiny. Nice and shiny and beautiful. You might realise we haven't filmed for the last few hours. One, because we ran out of battery, and two, because everything we do in this car was seriously annoying us, and tempers were starting to fray.
Just in case you do have a VW Polo, and for whatever reason, you think, oh, there's a light on my dashboard. Do not unplug the clocks, because if you unplug them, the car will die.
The immobilizer basically kicked in because we had taken the clocks out.
Yes.
To try and find out why the airbag light was on. Got to resolder the cluster tomorrow now, because the cluster we think is actually causing all the issues. Because we've had an airbag light on, we've had a coolant temp light on, and now we've had an immobilizer fault. The instrument cluster controls all of that. So I'm going to resolder it tomorrow. We're going to check the clocks in tomorrow, see if it clears the lights. We're going to have to chuck a top down or any sort of OBD on there to wipe it again.
And then what we'll do is, I will meet Dave at the MOT centre, and you will see it pass its MOT.
And then it'll pass an MOT.
Yeah, look, watch.
But we still have an airbag light. But we think it's the instrument cluster.
If this doesn't start now, and don't even press stop, I'm just going to get in my car and leave. Just let it record forever. Nothing.
You haven't even tried turning it. Turn it properly.
Dude.
There's no way. There's no. Listen to all that horsepower. Yeah, so the instrument cluster. It's the instrument cluster, let's face it. The immobilizer just kicked in again.
I'm not going to turn it off this time.
So there more likely will be another part 3 where we've got it all sorted out. We don't want to keep making more of these because there's only a Polo. It shouldn't take 3 videos to fix the issues on the Polo.
They were only little issues.
We've had the steering wheel off 3 times today. Anyway,
thank you for watching.
We're a little bit pissed off.
The next one will be a better car.
What are we doing next?
Service on yours.
Yeah?
Service on yours. We do have a...
These window wipers still on.
We do have a Honda Jazz coming. Honda Jazz?
Sure.
Remember?
Yeah.
We have...
a Modus, a Renault Modus to do some alternator issues with.
If any of you have a cool car, or a car on a drive that just needs saving, we may not save it, but we will take it.
We'll make 4 videos about how not to save it.
How not to... Shut up! Stupid!
Yeah. Sorry you missed 3 hours of us, but it was us taking steering wheels on and off, clipping in OBDs.
Not speaking because of rage.
Yeah, there was a lot of silence today.
But she's running. It's like new. It's ready for its MOT.
Fixed is fixed.
It's fixed is fixed and it's fixed. Listen to that.
Listen to all those kittens pay.
All 4 of them.
All 4 kittens.
It hasn't even got 4 pistons. See you next week.